In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Brevo account. We'll begin on the Brevo website. On the homepage, look for the Sign Up button, which typically appears near the center of the screen, and click it to get started. You'll see three ways to create your account. Continue with a Google account, continue with an Apple account, or sign up using an email address and password. Choose the option that best suits you. If you use Google or Apple, you'll quickly approve access. If you prefer email, pick a strong, unique password to keep your account secure. Right after that, you'll move into the onboarding process. The first screen asks for your first name, last name, company name, and your website. Don't worry if you don't have a website yet. Simply check the box that says you don't have one, then click Continue. These details help personalize your experience inside Brevo. Next, enter your business address information. Fill in your street address, zip or postal code, city and country. If your country has states or provinces, select the correct one and click Continue. Providing accurate information here helps with proper localization and future billing or verification needs, so double check for typos before you proceed. You'll then see a brief questionnaire about how you plan to use Brevo. Indicate the size of your team and roughly how many contacts you expect to manage. You'll also be asked whether you sell online, which helps tailor recommendations and default settings. Finally, choose your communication preferences. If you don't want to receive product updates, marketing tips, or promotional content, simply opt out. There's a link to the privacy policy if you want more detail on how your data is handled. Click Continue when you're ready. For security and account recovery, you'll verify your mobile number. Enter your number, click Send Verification Code, and keep your phone nearby. When the code arrives, type it into the field and click Verify. If you don't see the message right away, give it a moment, confirm your number format is correct, and then request a new code if needed. Once verification is complete, your account is created. You'll be prompted to choose a plan. Explore higher tiers if you need advanced features, or click Select Free to start testing the platform at no cost. You'll land on your dashboard, and you may be asked to verify your email to finalize activation. Go ahead and complete that if prompted. That's it. Your Brevo account is set up and ready to go. From here, you can start exploring your dashboard and configuring your tools with confidence.